We've added to our lineup of touchscreen repairs. We're going to go over all three of them, but the main one we've actually just added is the 4600 touchscreens. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to back up to where we first started, which was the 2600 John Deere screen repairs, which is just this little touchscreen itself, just to separate and lay a new touchscreen in. And then we stepped up to the 2630s, which is basically replacing that whole face, just like what you see there. And then moved on to the 4600, which is brand new for us. It's a whole new one out there altogether. Basically same thing as like the 2630s. It's just gonna have that front bezel replacement, have all the ribbons and everything on the back. That way you can get that repaired. It will come with a 1-year warranty. And just to keep in mind, that warranty is only valid if we actually do the repair here at Sloan Express. So that every monitor has to be sent in for us to do that replacement and to give you that warranty. A couple of things we wanted to go over with you as well on the 4600s. There are a couple different models, so we want to make sure when you do send one in, you do have the correct one to send back in to us. And just the main things we can find on the back to basically distinguish between an older version and a newer version is on the older versions, you have 2 sets of screws up here in the top corners, and then your speaker location is up here in the top corner. Some of the newer ones, actually, they spread the screws out and they move the speaker location itself. But these are the 2 main things that we can find outside of maybe looking at the part number on the tag on the back. So just kind of give you an overview of that. If you would happen to have any questions on that, you can give us a call at 800-934-9777, or you can check them all out on sloanex.com.